Tarrafeiro Municipal Market, Travessa do Alpendre, Travessa do Muro, Travessa das Galinholas, streets which used to be Tarrafeiro Market. Just a little bit of Macau historical past.
I know I've definitely never filmed this one before. Travessa do Alpendre. So just to give you a little context, we're gonna walk over there in a minute and just kind of show you what's on that main street right there. And then we're also gonna go over there to that main street, October 5th. I'll explain that actually was where the waterfront used to be. And where we're walking now is all reclaimed land. And our street is really small, really small. So that's why we're gonna give more of the context to the other two as well. Okay. So that's going to be our target street right here. Okay, we got Macau. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. We're going to be doing, my focus is a street called Travessa do Alpendre. Alpendre is a veranda or porch. I'm going to go through all that in a little bit, but that's going to be our focus street. But it goes around this market, this old market called Tarrafeiro Market. So I'm going to show a little bit of stuff with AI. So I looked it up to see exactly where it was. I knew about it, but I kind of needed to know some information about it. Fresh fish market, 1870s to 1884, and then again 1900s to 1928. And I looked that up so you can see that on AI. And then I went to another source to confirm it, and that's that source right there. And then when I went to that one, I kind of found out another thing, that there's a collapse at the Alpendre alley that was in the second source. So basically the AI and the source kind of aligned perfectly, and then the other one, so that's the street that we're targeting today anyways, so that's kind of interesting. And then number 3, I have another source here, and that just kind of confirms everything again, but they also talked about what a Tarrafeiro, it's named after a fish market, like so anyways, we'll put the picture of that. So I put that into AI so you can see what Tarrafeiro means. And then I also put in Alpendre and then they gave me a picture of a veranda or porch, which is kind of like a Portuguese style one. I don't know if it actually looked like that, probably not, but I guess the fish market did have something like that. And then I also just put in a Galinholas. It's like a woodcock, so you can see exactly what that looks like as well. So I got a picture of that too. So now you have a little bit more information. I'm going to go back to one of the sources, and then you can see the map. So I just took that from the website. So it's basically right in the streets that we're filming. So it's perfect that I was filming it. So now you kind of get an idea of what used to be here before. And I kind of reference it anyways when I do the walk and talk. Let's go do the walk and talk. All right. As if you were there yourself. Our street is so small, but that one is kind of interesting down that way. But we're all on reclaimed land. So let's just take a look at our street first. It's got a little balcony up there. It's kind of interesting. But our little street is, there's like construction right there already. Let's just go down it. But it looks like our target street is actually a place where they are used to park bikes. And then there's corrugated metal on this side. Corrugated metal on both sides actually. But then this one looks like it's somebody's courtyard maybe. I think actually last time I was here, I think I've never filmed this particular street, but I think I might have filmed around it. Here's the courtyard. This is an empty lot. Some bikes, some kids and helmets, some kids got to play in there. Oh, you know what? This used to be an old market. So that right there, it's called Tarrafeiro. Used to be a market called Tarrafeiro, something like that. I think I'm mispronouncing it. But that used to be the what this is all about. This is our little target street right here, quite small. And then we'll just put some context to everything. I'm gonna go like this, and I'm gonna go around over to this gate. That gate this used to be a market. This used to be near the ocean. There was 2 levels of reclaimed land. So we were walking on what I'll call like level 1, the first one, and then up straight ahead is level 2. I'll explain that in a moment. This goes
This is the base of a certain street that I won't focus on right now. But this one goes down, way down to Rue de Felicidade, which is where a historical nightlife area was at. Oh, that looks kind of cool. So that right there is where the waterfront is at. And then that street is named after Demetrio Cincinnatus or something like that. But he is a civil engineer and a Navy guy. So he created a second layer of all of that waterfront. So all that's reclaimed land. So that's like reclaimed land number 2. This is number 1. So that used to be the waterfront over there. There's a lot of reclaimed land everywhere throughout Macau. This is kind of cool. So this right here, I just want to capture this interesting looking building. So yeah, it kind of like this whole building kind of goes over a little bit. It's heavy up on the front. And then over there is the hotel, Pont 16. So that's all a waterfront on that side. More like harbor kind of stuff. And not harbor, like warehouses, dock houses. And now this is a little Travessa de Muro. I guess if you're walking down Travessa de Muro, here's a little Portuguese thing. So maybe what we'll do is we'll combine it. So we have Travessa de Muro, because we're going to walk all the way down it. And that's the waterfront. Not waterfront, the main street. And this is our Target Street right there, Alpendre. And that's it right there. And we're just going to walk over to this street. This was the historic waterfront, over the 5th Street. And then they kept reclaiming more land. So this would have been all the waterfront at one point. So that's Muro. This is a little alley. But this was the one that was the main street, called October the 5th. And so yeah, this whole gate right here is like, it's called like Tarrafeiro. So that yellow one is all that's left of this marketplace that used to be here. Oh, that's kind of cool. You can see that's our Target Street's right there, and then now that building has all these beautiful windows. But if they build another one in front of it, then that view would be gone, though. But it's there now. It looks good. Okay. So, I guess what we're gonna do, take a look at that right there. So yeah, that's the Tarrafeiro market, used to be. And this is our Target Street right here. I guess we'll go back to that. Yeah, it looks like they designed this whole new building, so they're doing some construction still. They're still putting the cement in, but you have all the beautiful windows. So some of it will look out and have this nice view right now, but later others will not have a view. Eventually they'll probably build something right here. Anyways, and then yeah, this is the front gate of the Tarrafeiro, so should probably talk about that. Hopefully I do when I do the video. Okay. So that was our little street right down in that way, and now we're on October the 5th Street, which is where the waterfront historically used to be. So maybe we'll just walk walk down it and then we'll end our video. Just to give you a little context. So yeah, that little focus street, there's October. Oh, this street right here is called Tarrafeiro, which is the name that the market used to have. Let's see if I can get across here. Okay. Anyways, this will go all the way down quite a ways, so what we're going to do now is we'll just come to an end. Since 2019. And we'll come to an end right there.